Mwerekereme je kaunti ya Kisii nke mukrochinsemo moshiricha milimani hivyo ni kutoka se Wadi ya Kisii Central ase kaunti ya Kisii ni gomande na kire ekiyogwegokeria yengo batekana no bokonyo bono bwabere bokurwegwa senke jo asokonyara kwagachira nyumba ase bono babere batabwate nyumba kubwatikana nyumba bwatenka bamenyete ororo abaiboli na wigo amo na abana babanene obono andake baikirenga kiyabo yokogenda ose yokonyara gotwara chinka chiyabo niko chinga kiechie kembeke mukuru sensori ya America kamenyekanite buna ware Queenza banyara kurobo konyi bwabo gochia senkejo omurikito mirdedi momanyi nekera na sensemejo na gotwariga ndi roboti rokobwatia
Ororombwa mwenyene amate echanabo saigo
tabasini ando moyo yumubwate nasage ndakula mente
Aigan na sensemo ya milimani imewadi ya Kisii Central ase amate ya mobono erenekyo ekwego keliama ega yokonyora obokonyi bokwagachirwa enyumba amone kyombege kege serikali ekyukemenyeka inebuna ware Queen's Rise kurwa ense ya America ekyo enkeyo yabereke guchandika ase omongina amenyete nabamurabaye batatu abo baisanire gutwara chinga cyabo ase enyumba eyemo
mbwati kenda na kene amorche munamenyete muna bana kachirite nyumba ega na bandite abana mbwate batatu kumura nyumba mbabwati iwamenyete obokon kia bana mwacha mwarori munamenyete inu muraro muna nyasaba bwatisi ebimogendete gukora nyasaba bwatisi nandi mugendere gonkona
Abanyakyomba boni go batebire babeire bakurwa obokonyi aiga Kenya na indemba chikogendera nobokonyi buno obwo.
We are donating to this family who really needs the support because everyone behind us are not only the speakers and the experts that are offering up leadership and teaching and all the schools we're speaking to, all of these people behind us have servants' hearts. So today what we are donating total to this family for the materials and the work that we will be doing is 60,000 Kenyan shillings. It doesn't end there. Yesterday in our time here, we have gone to Kutoka County. We've been one of the few groups to ever step foot in doing the slum tour. We have also, this group has phenomenally also donated to the organization on site that feeds the orphans.
Omorandian naftalondiba oyobeire asomostali obosio asogokonya enkeyega niga bolire bali bonsi bale angene chingabune chiga korwa obokonyi nonyene Biblia nabo egoteba
ntobwenete kogenda out of our way togende torenga abande bale nobokongu bunobo yenere miremo yesare gukora nere akarari gwikabale nenjarari ko bateiba endagera karari gwikabale nemechanda barwarite gare ko bagweni kango tokore miremo yaito ase tokonyana bonare kwireneria abasubati aba bakorokwa Wadi Queens ase miremo bagokora
ase chinga kiecho nigo baenekya guchiago konya abana abanyaruka buna enchere ya moyo kubasira ase chiskuru nebitamba byobochenu ebyo birachikoira egeka kemyaka 10 elikogota na nigo bigusibeka ase barachie gwikera aboroki wachiribu 13 buna omonyakero bobo ambassador Dominic Obadia akwerera.
We are so committed towards helping on sustainable development options, and one of them is literacy. We are doing mentorship in schools and we'll be touching on this trip 13,000 students in just 1 week.
So Ruby Cups is a medical grade silicone cup, and when properly trained, the girl and the cup get trained together, if you will, and it can last the girl up to 10 years. If she takes care of it properly. And because of the medical grade silicone that they use, they don't have to worry about the chemicals that are in the pads. So this is just a small piece of a really large problem. We understand that, but we will stop at nothing to help the Kenyan girls with this.
She can have peace of mind, her mental health is supported, and the requirement for her to obtain the cup is to go through a feminine hygiene and feminine anatomy training on how to sustain the cup, but Warrior Queen's Rise is really about sustainability.
Kuripoteria igetaseni kia Ndizi TV, elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.